Elf, the mascot of Rock City, and with Colt, and he is the fudge maker. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this literally all morning. We're making green fudge. So tell us, what are we doing right now?
Right now we are fixing the fudge right now. We're cooking it. We'll cook it to about 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make. And then after that we'll pour it, and then wait for it to set up. We'll start flipping it, and then it should be finished.
And we have been stirring this for about 10 minutes, so are we to the correct temperature?
We have about 5 more degrees left, so it should be done in about a couple more minutes.
Oh,
we'll be ready to pour.
Well, we wanted to show you guys how to pour it and get all that ready, but I don't know if it's going to be finished by then. But can you see it bubbling? It is absolutely amazing, and we'll probably be bringing some back to you guys in the studio, so get ready for that. And Shamrock City is going on all day today and tomorrow. There's going to be so much going on. Dancers, pipe musicians, anything you can possibly think of, leprechauns, everything is green. So come on out here and be sure to wear your green, because that just makes it more fun. And we will see you guys here. Back to St. Patrick's Day is coming up on Monday, and they are celebrating all weekend long with Irish festivities with Shamrock City. And I'm here with Megan Jolly, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on this weekend. What can people look forward to?
Well, there's so much. Everything's green. So our waterfall's green, our fudge is green, our kettle corn is green, our limeade is green. It's homemade in our fudge kitchen. So there's lots of great food. There's Irish food like mulligan stew. And
Yum.
I mean, we try to make it very authentic as much as possible. There's Irish music.
And there's going to be dancing?
Yes, we talked about that. And I hear that you're a dancer.
I am. I used to do Irish dancing, but we don't have the dancers here, so I don't have to do that for you guys.
Well, but you can totally come later, and anybody can come and learn an Irish jig. So you can take lessons, or you can just come and watch the dance performances. So we have that going on. We have Celtic and Irish music and Highlands, like all of that kind of flavor throughout the day, different times in our pavilion and throughout the park. We have the Chattanooga Pipe Band, who they're roaming around the park in their kilts and their bagpipes, and it's really, really fantastic.
Oh, it's going to be so much fun. And of course, we want people to dress up when they come. So coming up in about 20 minutes, we're going to be showing you different costumes and ideas for people to wear, because we want them to dress up and wear your green. So we'll be seeing you back here in about 20 minutes. Back to you.